Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple but really clean Instagram carousel in Canva. And yeah, this is the full 2026 guide, so everything is up to date. Let's jump right in. So first, you want to search for Instagram carousel inside Canva. Just type it in, and Canva will give you a bunch of templates that already have the correct dimensions. Now go ahead and pick any template style that matches the vibe you're going for. You can always customize everything later, so don't stress too much here. Once the project opens, start with the first slide. Replace the sample text with your headline, maybe adjust the colors, or add your own branding if you want. Canva makes all that drag and drop simple. To build the rest of your carousel, just duplicate the first slide. That way everything stays consistent. Then update each slide with new text, new visuals, maybe some icons, whatever tells your story. Try to keep your fonts, spacing, and colors lined up across all the slides. It helps the whole carousel feel smoother. And yeah, use Canva's rulers or alignment guides if you need them. When you're done, hit the download button at the top right. Choose PNG or JPEG, and make sure all pages are selected so your full carousel downloads in the correct order. And now just upload the images to Instagram in a single post. Make sure you select them in the exact order they downloaded. Instagram will automatically turn them into a swipeable carousel. And that's basically it. Super quick, super easy. If this helped, feel free to subscribe for more tutorials like this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.